Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our SS video class. As you know, we started our PA2 syllabus. We completed chapters, and today we are at chapter number 15. Chapter number 15 name is Mumbai. We learned about in chapter 14 about Delhi. Delhi is our capital city of India. So, today we are going to read about Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Okay. हाँ, मुंबई इज़ नोन एज अ इकोनॉमिक कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया. वहाँ पे शेयर मार्केट है और फिल्म स्टार्स रहते. इट वॉज अर्लियर नोन एज अ बॉम्बे बोला जाता था. हाँ, वेस्ट कोस्ट एरिया में आती है. ओके. ये सभी इन मुंबई के बारे में हम जानते हैं. बहुत ही वेल नोन सिटी है. इट इज़ ऑल्सो इट ए मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटी में आता है. मुंबई, Delhi, Kolkata, and Chennai. Okay. Now we start our reading. Mumbai is one of the biggest and busiest cities of India. It is the capital of Maharashtra. Earlier it was called Bombay. It is also called the financial capital of India. Location. Look at this political map of India. Mumbai is located on the western coast of India in Maharashtra state. It faces the Arabian Sea. Historical background. Earlier, Mumbai was a group of 7 islands, namely Mahim, Worli, Parel, Mazgaon, Bombay, Little Kolba, and Kolba. These islands were under the Portuguese control, but in 1661 these came under the control of the British. Map of Mumbai city. In 1947, Bombay was declared a state with its capital at Bombay. Later on, it was divided into Maharashtra and Gujarat. Bombay became the capital of Bombay Presidency in 1819. Climate. Mumbai has a moderate climate as it is near the sea coast. Worth visiting places. Most of Mumbai's important buildings, schools, hotels, cinemas, and museums are located in its older parts. There are many tourist places in Mumbai. Tourists come from far and near to enjoy the beaches and nightlife here. The Gateway of India. Look at the picture given below. It is the Gateway of India which was built to welcome the British King George V, Queen Mary who visited Bombay in 1911. You can you can see the statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji and Swami Vivekanand near the Gateway of India. Chhatrapati Shivaji and Swami Vivekanand. Other places of interest are the sea beaches of Juhu and Chowpatty, the Prince of Wales Museum, Nehru Planetarium, and Hanging Gardens, Esselwood and the Boat House. Juhu Beach, Princess Wales Museum, Nehru Planetarium, Hanging Garden, Esselwood, Boat House. Marine Drive. It is worth visiting for its view of the Arabian Sea. It is one of the most attractive places of tourist interest in the Mumbai. Marine Drive, Elephanta Caves. The famous Elephanta Caves lie to the Mumbai east of Mumbai. They are famous for their beautiful stone carving. Elephanta Caves. Industries. There are many industries in Mumbai. Mumbai is famous for its cotton textile. The first cotton textile mill was established in 1854 in Mumbai, means Bombay. Festivals. All important festivals are celebrated in Mumbai, but Ganesh Chaturthi is the most important. Celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi. Film industry. Mumbai is a city of dreams. It is famous for its Hindi film industry. The film industry is also known as Bollywood. Seaport. Mumbai is one of the busiest seaports of India. Bombay High, about 110 kilometers away from the Mumbai in the Arabian Sea. There is an oil field known as the Bombay High. Reason petroleum is largely extracted from these oil fields. Airport. Airport. Mumbai has an international airport. Also, it is the busiest airport of India. Mumbai Airport. Transport. Mumbai has a good network of roads and railways. Most of the people travel by local trains. Fact, the first railway train in India ran from Mumbai to Thane in 1853. Mumbai has many good educational institutes. The Bombay University is the one of the oldest universities of India. The Indian Institute of Technology is also located here. Fact. Dharavi is the largest slum area of Asia. Dharavi. Do you know most of Mumbai land was reclaimed from the sea? People and food. Most of the people living in Mumbai are migrants. Therefore, there is a variety of food items here. Bhel puri and pav bhaji are popular snacks of Mumbai. Mumbai is a thickly populated city. Marathi and Hindi are the popular languages spoken in Mumbai. Quick review. Okay, quick review. Mumbai is Quick review. Mumbai is one of the biggest and busiest cities of India. Earlier it was called Bombay. It is the capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai is located on the western coast of India. There are many places worth visiting, such as the Gateway of India, the Marine Drive, and the Elephanta Caves, the Hanging Garden, Juhu, and Chopad. Mumbai is famous for its cotton textile mills as well as the Hindi film industries, popularly known as Bollywood. Ganesh Chaturthi is the main festival celebrated in Mumbai. This is our chapter reading, students. You have to read this chapter and you have to underline the chapters, and in that I am going to send you one video with this one. You have to watch that video, and this is a reading of this chapter. You have to underline hard words from this chapter. Okay, while you are doing this chapter, you have to underline hard words and you have to watch the additional video of this chapter. Okay, everyone, take care, stay safe.